Now the content of our this alert dialog will be basically the body, that is body of the push notification, whether we are receiving a text message or we are receiving a file or we are receiving a image file. So for that purpose what we can do is we will add here the conditions, that is widget.body.toString.contains jpg. If the body which we are receiving in a push notification, if it contains .jpg, it simply means we have a notification related to image, so we have to display that. So for that purpose we can say column widget, and in this column widget basically we will display our image. Okay, then comes the remaining conditions where we will check if it is a file. So for the file we have some extensions like .docs. Then the other ones using OR operator we can add, that is if it is docs or PowerPoint or Microsoft Excel or PDF or MP3 or MP4. If it is any of this, if it contains, it means it is a file. So if it is a file, simply display that. So in here we will implement, that is we will display the file. Okay, otherwise else if it is not a file, not an image, that is .jpg, then it is simply a text message which we receive in the notification body. So we have to just display that. So it is widget.body. So once you do this, next thing is let's quickly implement here our column widget for displaying the image. Children, and then first we will display some text using text widget, and that will be sent you image. Then we will have some space, size box, height 14, and then finally we can display the image. So first apply some padding. So you can say widget dot body dot to string, and then some width and height for it. So the width for this image will be 160 and height will be also 160. Now just like we display this, in the same way we can do it for the file. So just copy this, okay, this padding hole widget, this cone size box, and this cons text. Copy it, and then in here in our this column widget, first let me add the properties for this, which is main axis alignment dot center, main axis size dot minimum, then children widget. Now we can align it properly like this. Okay, and then copy this and paste it inside this children widget like this. So sent you file, and as it is a file, so for that from the asset we will display the image which we have in here. So this is all about our this notification dialog widget, that is whenever we will listen for the push notification message, that is message listener for push notification. Whenever a new notification is received, it will get that remote message. Okay, that is it will get that push notification. It contains some data, that is the title and the body. In the title, of course, we will pass the name of that sender, and in the body we will have the message, either it is a text message, a file, or if it is an image. Okay, so if that message is message.notification, if the remote message is not equals to null, that is, if we have received the push notification successfully and it contains the data successfully, then we will display that data with the help of our this notification dialog widget. So we can call here notification dialog widget, and you know that to this we have to pass the title text. So the title text will be our message, remote message dot notification dot title. The body will be the message notification dot body. That's it, and it will just display the notification data in a dialog box, in a beautiful dialog box which we implemented here. So in this way we work with the notification. That is, when you receive the notification, first we listen for the message. Okay, message listener, as you know, we implemented. That is, we listen for the push notification. If the notification receive, then it contains some data which we call remote message. The instance name is message, so we check if message.notification not equals to null. That is, if it has the data, if it has the message, then simply display that using the dialog box. So we call our notification dialog widget, which is our widget on which we display the title and the body of that notification.